Yeah, we gotta keep an eye out on those squirrels. If you can track them, see where they're going. Oh, he's coming into the house. What's he doing? You gotta track these guys. I get calls all the time about squirrels, and then they claim they never paid attention to the squirrels. You know? A little sneaky. He came from that fence over there. Oh, okay, there's more. There's more in their yard. Alright, so they're just exploring. They're probably at their house. Yeah, you gotta keep an eye on these guys. See what's going on. You live in the trees. It's pretty warm today. It's in the 40s, but once it starts getting cold, they already have a place to go. It could be a shed or it could be the house itself. They disappear like phantoms.